When I originally got the Quest 3, I thought the stock headband would be good enough for me, but as I found more uses for the Quest, I realized the stock headband was good for about an hour. After that, it started to get really uncomfortable. So I went out and I got several different brands of aftermarket headbands to test. And I've been testing them for the past month. I'm a little bit more picky because I keep my head shaved, so every pressure spot is felt more strongly because I don't have any hair to help cushion any pressure. So here are my ratings for the different headbands I've tried for the Quest 3. All the links will be down in the description below. Since everyone who has a Quest has the stock headband, I'll give you a quick rating on it so you can kind of get the baseline of the way I rate things. The stock headband has several things going for it. It's super light and it's small, so it doesn't take up much space when you're not using the headband. Its downsides are that it pretty much puts all the pressure around your eyes and in the back of your head, especially these little tabs. After longer use, they feel like they're actively trying to make their way into my skull. So I'd rate this as a comfort rating of about 4.5 out of 10. Then coming in last place of the aftermarket head straps is the Zyber Elite strap. While it is an improvement over the stock strap in that it doesn't have those tabs in the back, it also puts the pressure around your eyes and the back of your head. The back part is just flexible rubber that doesn't have any padding on it. And I find that it also starts to feel uncomfortable on the back of my head after extended use. Also, I feel like the top strap cannot be tightened enough for my head shape because of the padding. That being said, it does keep the headset on decently tight and is a slight improvement over the stock strap. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Next, coming in third is the DESTEK QH3 head strap. I want to give the disclaimer that this one was sent to me free of charge for a review. The rest were all purchased. This one is the next step up in comfort. It's got padding on the top and the back, and both the top and the back have dials to allow you to adjust the pressure level. The top band can be moved forward or backwards to help you find the most comfortable spot on the top of your head to help take some of the pressure off your face. It also holds securely during quick motions if you're playing an active game or working out. My only gripe with it and why it lost some points is the top band has a small pad in the middle and it just applies too much pressure in one spot for my liking. I wish the pad was at least curved, but it's still pretty comfortable and I'd rate it about a 7 out of 10. In second place is the Gomor VR Quest 3 head strap. This one has padding on the back and a padded band over the top to help disperse the pressure on the top of the head, and a padded band on the front to keep the pressure off the face. It's referred to as a halo style head strap. In fact, this headband can be used entirely without the face shield, which is actually really nice if you're using your Quest in mixed reality. It sits comfortably on the face and is very snug even during quick movements. The main reason it didn't get the #1 spot is the back padding is a rather large solid piece, and although it is padded, it causes a bit of discomfort after about 1.5 hours of use. Also, my head tends to get sweaty under the large padding, so I'd rate this headset at about an 8 out of 10. And in first place is the M3 Bobo VR Pro. It is more expensive than everything else on the list, but that's because it comes with a battery that can be attached to extend the life of your Quest. I did a separate full review on this in another video. In this video, I want to focus only on the comfort level. It comes with an oval type pad in the back with a hole in the middle. The back pad has two different types of padding you can use with it. I tend to use this soft rubber-like padding as I feel that it has a better grip and helps prevent sweat. The top band has two separate pads that keep the pressure from the very top of your head and separate it into two locations. I was honestly surprised to find I actually like that more than the one whole band on the top of the Gomor VR. The Bobo VR Pro is actually a halo style head strap too, and it can be used without the face shield on the Quest. I've let several other people test these headbands, and so far they all unanimously agree that the Bobo VR is the most comfortable headband. I was debating what rating to give it, as for me and my head shape, I feel like it's a 10 out of 10. But since the little pads on top are not adjustable, I can possibly see them not fitting someone's head shape as well as mine, so I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Naturally, this is all based on my opinion and experience. Yours might be different, but I feel like any of the top 3 are enough of an improvement over the stock headband to be worth the upgrade.